Very good morning to all my dear students. Now, question number 6. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. Find how much course content is left. Okay, understand the question, children. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 12 by 5 by 12th part of his course content. You have to find out how much course content is left. So first of all, let the total let the total course content is equal to 1. Okay, the total course content is 1, that is whole. Okay, part of course completed is equal to 5 by 12. You have to find part of course left. Part of course left you have to find out. So to find part of course left, what you have to do? 1 minus 5 by 12 you have to do. Nothing is there means 1. LCM of 12 and 1 will be 12. See the denominators. 12 in one table into 12, 12 in 12 table into 1. So 1 into 12 is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 by 12. Therefore, part of course left is equal to 7 by 12 part. Okay, 5 by 12 he had completed and 7 by 12 is left. Next, 7th one. Now look at the figure, children, carefully. Now find the perimeter of, you have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE. You have to find the perimeter of these two figures, and then which figure has greater perimeter also you have to find out. By how much? Okay, first you have to find the perimeters of these two figures, then you have to find out which figure has greater perimeter and by how much. Okay, so first of all we will find the perimeter of rectangle. Come on, perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the name of the rectangle? BCDE is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now longer side is L, shorter side is breadth. Okay, so length is 2 1 by 5. We'll convert it into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 centimeter is the length. Breadth is 1 2 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 centimeter is the breadth. Now perimeter we will find out. Perimeter of a rectangle BCDE is equal to 2 into L plus B. L plus B, that is 2 into 11 by 5 plus 5 by 3. Come on, we will perform this calculation first inside the bracket. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Check the denominator. Here into 3, here into 5. 11 3s are 33 plus 5 5s are 25. So it will be 2 into 58 by 15. So 2 into 58 is 116 by 15 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we will find the perimeter of a triangle. perimeter of a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? ABE is equal to, perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of three sides or sum of all sides. The sides are 2 1 by 5 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 4 2 by 3. So this will be 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Now what you have to do, you have to find the LCM of 5 3 3. 5 3 3. First we will take 3, 5 remains as it is, 1s are 1s are. So the LCM will be 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now 15 will be the LCM. See the denominators. Here into 3, here into 5, here into 5. 11 3s are 33, 10 5s are 50 plus 14 5s are 70. Okay. If you will add this will be 120, then 153. 153 by 15 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle is 153 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 116 by 15 centimeter. So whose perimeter is greater? Therefore, perimeter of a triangle is greater than perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, 153 by 15 is greater than 116 by 15. Now by how much? By how much? 153 by 15 minus 116 by 15. If you subtract 116 plus 153, it will be 37 by 15. Okay. Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle by 37 by 15 centimeter. Okay, all are centimeter. Okay children, next exercise 2. Exercise 2, multiply the following, write the answer as a mixed fraction. Come on, you have to multiply. In multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Now 3 by 6 into 10, nothing is there means 1. 3 tens are 30, 6 ones are 6. Directly seeing the numbers, you can bring it into lowest form. 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30. So the answer is 5. Here nothing is there means 1, 1 4s are 4, 3 ones are 3, 4 by 3. Can write it in mixed fraction. 4 inside, 3 outside. 3 ones are 3. Subtract 1 remains. First quotient, remainder up, divisor down. 1 by 3 is the answer. Next 6 by 7 into 2. 2 means 2 by 1. 6 2s are 12, 7 1s are 7. Come on. 12 inside, 7 outside. 7 1s are 7, 5 remains. So first you will write 1, then here 5, then here 7. Next, nothing is here means 1, 2 5s are 10, 9 1s are 9. In the rough column, 10 inside, 9 outside, 9 1s are 9, 1 remains. So 1 by 9 is the answer. One you can try for homework. Next, shade the following. Here you have to shade the balls, children. Now see, half of the circle in the box. Half of the circle in the box. Of means multiplication. Now here half of the circle in the box means how you will perform the calculation is half of, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Half of 12. Of means multiplication. Remember, half into 12. Now how you will work out? Now here 2 and 12 you can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 1 into 6, 6 is the answer. 6 you have to shade. I have already shaded it. So 6 balls you have to shade in the box. Next is 2 by 3 of triangles in the box. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 by 3 of 9, how you will calculate? 2 by 3 into 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 2 threes are 6 triangles you have to shade. 6 triangles you have to shade. Okay. Third one, 3 by 5 of rectangles in the box. How many are there? 5, 5, 5. 15. So 3 by 5 into 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3 threes are 9 rectangles you have to shade. Okay. Next. 5, 10, 15, 20 circles are there. 3/4 of the circles, that is 3/4 of 20. That is 3 by 4 into 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. 3 fives are 15 balls you have to shade. So this all for today. You have to complete all this in your CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.